y'all, it's Deja Vu and welcome to my channel. And I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial for y'all today. And we just going to get started. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil. And I love this. It's so cute. Got this little brush. Comes like this. And this is the shade brown. So yeah. So I'm just going to start off with lining my eyebrows. And just line the bottom out. After I line the bottom out, I'm just going to move up and fill in my eyebrow. This is my first video, so make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and comment and like. My channel would definitely consist of makeup videos, hair videos, clothing hauls, eventually, and all that good stuff. So these are my eyebrows after I line them. So then I'm going to go in my Pro Concealer. This is the shade Medium Beige. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand. And I also am going to use this Pro Concealer. This is the shade Fawn. And I'm going to put a little bit of this on my hand too. So I just got a little bit just like this. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to add a little bit to my brush. And first off, the way I line my eyebrows is I take some and I don't go too close to the eyebrow just yet. I just take it and line it. Just follow the way my eyebrow is. I don't line the top of my eyebrows. I really just make sure my end just comes to a point. Now just take my brush and brush it out. And if you feel like your concealer is too light, you can always go on with a darkened concealer and put it down there and blend it in. I'm using my brush from Urban Studios, and I'm just gonna blend in the concealer just so I can make sure I can see how my eyebrows are. Just see. I can go in and conceal them with my darker concealer. Just put a little bit right there. And I can take my brush and blend it in. Alright, y'all, so these are my eyebrows. Alright, so thank you for watching. It's Deja Vu, and I will be back with another video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.